Hello, I am Revit, and in this video, Christmas time, I will show you how to unlock Blue Baby. And not only, but in others video, how to unlock every character in games, in every video, other person. Okay, so start, I can here continue. Let's play, and Blue Baby, it is almost the same character like Isaac, but he has increased damage and speed, and he has poop and blue hearts. He can't use red hearts, he only has blue hearts. Okay, how to unlocking Blue Baby? Unlocking him is simple, but will take some effort. As players, you must defeat Mom's Heart 10 times. 10 times, meaning that players must essentially complete the game 11 times. So you understand, that's all. You must defeat Mom's Heart 10 times, and after this you unlocking Blue Baby. And that's all. I have hope that I help you. So 11 times you must beat the game, and 10 times defeat Mom's Heart. Okay, but he's so dark. And that's all. So thanks for watching. Bye bye, and see you in other videos. Thanks. I will show you as a few minutes. Okay. Gameplay with Isaac. What it is? Piercing tears. I will try. Oh no. Bookworm. Black Heart. Okay. Nice. I like it. Oh, it is so cool. Some Black Hearts. It's cool. For Blue Baby. Nope. They kill my all small baby. Oh. New monster. I not see this yet. First time I see this flies. Okay. Wow, so cool. Okay. Fast recharge. Okay. Let's go. Here. Okay. Oh. Oh, nice. Oh. Okay. So fast. Get you. Die. You die. And nice. Okay, hey. What? Why it? Okay, I will later now go to engine room. Okay, nice. What did it give me? Wait, what it is? Why heard non ghost? Name is small red ghost and that? No. It is shitty. I don't this. Okay, fight with Angel. Okay. It's so easy. attack him. Oh. Cool. Oh, okay. I don't know what it give me. Better would be lucky penny. Oh, but okay. I take this. Incubus. So cool. Okay, next level. Nope. Hmm. Okay. 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 Cool. Okay. I end this video. Bye bye and see you next time. Thanks for watching. But wait. Yet 2 minutes. Okay. Very interesting place. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay, Steam Cell. Okay, the Emperor. Okay. Yes. So easy. I think that is so easy. What has happened? No. Oh, nice. So nice. Okay. Satan. Oh, thanks. What did it give me? Build Rage every time. Azazel's Rage. Okay. Ancient Powers. I have a small amount health. I look at treasure room. So wait. We must yet clear some rooms. Okay, thank you. Let's go. Here. Here. I try with the speed. Infested. Okay. What is... Okay, where is the treasure room? He must be here. Okay. Cool. Oh. I didn't need this red hearts. Better would be this person which convert red hearts on blue hearts. What it is? Absness? I don't know. What doing scissors? Okay. I didn't need. Psychotron? Nope. Here. Psychotron. Here. I wasted 3 bombs. Die. Nope. Nope. Hmm. Okay. I will die. Okay. Nothing. Oh, okay. Nope. That was so bad. Okay. Thanks.